Welcome to Brain Vision.
Starts from the rest at a point A on a circular entrance, and it is told that it increases the speed of her automobile at a constant rate, and we have told it reaches at point C. Now we have to find the speed at point B. So first of all, I am writing the given data for this question. So we have given that the radius of the circular track, that is r, is equals to 150 meter, and initial velocity is given to us, that is v naught is equals to 0, and we have given that at point C speed is, that is Vc is equals to 100 kilometer per hour, or I can say this can be written as 100 into, this is 1000 upon 3600 meter per second. So this will comes out to be 27.778 meter per second. Now we can say that the distance covered, that is dc, will be written as 150 into pi by 2 plus 100. So this will comes out to be 335.619 meter. Now I am going to apply equation of motion. So this can be written as Vc square is equals to V naught square plus 280 into, this is dc, 80 is the tangential acceleration. So now put all the data in this equation. So this is 27.778 whole square, this is 0 plus 2 into, this is 80 into 335.619. From here we get the value of tangential acceleration, that is 1.15 meter per second square. Now in the first part of the problem we have to find the velocity speed at point B, that is VB. So we see the distance covered at the point, that is 150 into pi by 2. This will comes out to be 75 pi meter. Now apply equation of motion, and we will get that Vb square is equals to V naught square plus 2 into tangential acceleration into distance, that is dB. So this will be written as Vb square is equals to, this is 0 plus 2 into, this is 1.15 into 75 pi. After solving this we get the value of Vb, that is 23.279 meter per second. This is the answer of our first part of the question. Now in the second part we have to find the value of total acceleration. So for that we have to find the normal acceleration. So we can say that V can be written as V naught plus tangential acceleration into t, and this is 1.15 into 20 seconds. So this will comes out to be 23 meter per second. Now normal acceleration will be v square by r. So this will comes out to be 23 square upon 150. So this is 3.52 meter per second square. This is the value of normal acceleration. Now we have the value of tangential acceleration, that is 1.15 meter per second square. So we know the total acceleration will be given by, that is under root of normal acceleration square plus tangential acceleration square. So this will comes out to be under root of 3.52 whole square plus 1.15 whole square. So finally we will get, this is 3.709 meter per second square. So this is the value of total acceleration. This is our answer for second part of the problem. So we can say that in the first part our answer will be, that is velocity at point B is 23.279 meter per second, and for the second part the total acceleration will be